Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I am so excited to bring you this product just because it is right up my alley. So it has been so long since I tried a nice Indian product. Yes, I do live in India, but I get a lot of products from America and Korea, and honestly I love them. I love the balm. I love so many different brands because they're highly pigmented, and this is one thing which lacks in a lot of Indian brands, especially when it comes to things like blushers, highlighters and eyeshadows. I feel like American brands are better at it, but when it comes to lipsticks and stuff, we have it down. But I was sent a product that I used and I was like, damn, I have to talk about this. So the product that I'm talking about is actually called Nykaa's Glitter Glow Highlighter Duo, and I will be very honest with you. So when I got these babies, I was pretty sure that this is going to be a glittery mess. It's not going to work out, and yeah, but if you've been watching me for a little bit, then you know that I love using highlighters. Like, look at that. I like highlighters which are blinding, but then it should not look fake. So it should have that healthy glow, and I have my favorites. I love Anastasia, I love the balm, and as I said, when I got these, I was like, oh my god, these better not have those big glittery chunks, because that is definitely not something that I want to have on my cheekbone. But then I gave it a try, and let me show you. How I use them. I have all the colors on my face today, and my mini review of these highlighters is, first of all, they're very affordable. I think they're around 500 rupees. Not sure, but I'm going to leave the price in the description box. So they are very affordable. They come in this nice packaging. It's really sturdy, so you can travel with it. The powders, I would say every powder has a different kind of a tint to it. You might feel that both the golds are similar, both these rose gold type shades are similar, but they all look very different when you put on your face. And there's no color that actually you cannot use. I like that they've packed the product generously. This is a very large pan, and they blend very well, they go on very well. You just need a little bit and you're done. One thing that I would suggest is use it very sparingly, because you really don't need a lot of product. So whenever you're using this highlighter, especially on your cheek, just tap it a little and then put it on. I like to use it as my eyeshadow as well, to highlight my tear duct area, under my eyes, on the nose, and it works amazingly for all the purposes. So this is one product that you must try if you really, are just experimenting with makeup and you don't really want to invest a lot of it, but you still want really good quality highlighters. Then I totally suggest using these. They are fabulous. And yeah, if you ask me for a suggestion, I would say just go for this one. It's called as Glittery 02 Rose Gold and Blonde Gold. So I love these. These are the colors that I have on my cheeks. This is the Rose Gold and this is the Blonde Gold. So if you want to buy any one, then you should buy this one. By the way, have I told you the name of both the quads? So this one is called as 24 Karat Glam 01. It has warm gold and pure gold here, which I have on my eyes today. The quad is called as Glittery 02. It has rose gold and blonde gold. I have it on my cheeks today. So yeah, I really enjoyed using this highlight. It gives me that healthy, glowing skin that I'm always after. So if you are looking for good highlighters, definitely give these a try. If you like the video, like it, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.